When new features are added to Python, I often go back and update some of my older code. And today I'm adding data classes to my text adventure game engine. And I'm not going to talk much about what data classes does. I just wanted you to see an example of migrating to use one. Here we're looking at the changes I made in order to use data classes. So this is the event class, and you can see I used to have a done-during-it method that took care of setting things up. And now I've replaced that with a data class annotation and these type hints here. These will automatically be added to the generated done-during-it method. And then the post-init method will get called by the generated done-during-it so that I can do the remaining initialization. Here's the InventoryItem class. This one was really simple. I deleted the done-during-it entirely and just added the two type hints. Finally, the place class. I've added the data class annotation and the type hints. And I'm using default factories because these have a default value of an empty list. And you can see the done-during-it goes away and the post-init comes in. That's it. This is what I did to add a few data classes to the text adventure game engine.